What do you want? I don't know what to say. Just say it. What do you do, ladies? You call your friends up. He doesn't know how to kiss. No, no, no. He doesn't know how to kiss you. That's right. Because I don't know what you like. You said wow? The lady that said wow? Here's the deal, man. I don't know what you're thinking because I'm not a woman when we're about to kiss for the first time. But let me tell you what's going through our head. Oh my God, I gotta kiss her. Do I push hard? Do I push soft? Do I push medium? Can I bite? Can I bite soft? Do I bite hard? Do I suck on the lip? Can I lick on the lip? Do I do the top? Do I do the bottom? Do I open mouth? Do I not? Do I tongue? Do I let her tongue? If we do tongue, do we exchange? Can I suck the tongue? Do we go round and round? Do we go up and down? Now I gotta think about her titties. Oh my God, this is complicated. I hope she doesn't have a vagina. I'd rather be doing calculus. This is hard work. But you women aren't honest. All you have to do is be honest. But why is it that you're not honest? Because women always have ulterior